How to change location on Spotify, or how to change your reason on Spotify. Well, hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can change your location on Spotify. Well, the process itself is pretty simple, so let me guide it through. Now, there's two different options. You can either open up the application, the Spotify application, log into your account, tap on the profile icon at the top left corner, and head into settings and privacy. From there, tap on accounts tab and then tap on email option here, and it'll redirect you to spotify.com, right, where you'll have to log into your account either anyways. So this is just a longer process. You can simply head into spotify.com on browser, whether on your phone or anywhere, then log into your account and you should get an interface somewhat like this, as you can see on the screen. Here, you want to simply tap on the edit profile option under the accounts. Tap on it and now you'll be able to edit your profile. Scroll down and you can see country or region. You can tap on it and now you can go ahead and change the country or region. If you want to change your billing address here, you can scroll down further below and you can see address option. You can tap on it and go ahead and change your billing address. So this is how you can change location on Spotify. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave the comments down below if you have any further issues as well.